Here we're going to discuss continue and break a little bit more in depth. Excuse me. So a break statement is used to break out of a loop statement, to stop the execution of a looping statement. Even if the loop condition has not become false or the sequence of items has not been completely iterated over, you could purposely break out of a script block statement. Also, continue. The continue statement is used to tell Python to skip the rest of the statements in the current loop block and to continue to the next iteration of the loop. Let's look at two examples. Let me move this over here. So here, first example, we use continue. We say for n in our list of 1, 2, and 3. And we say if n is equal to 2, continue. So if this is true, continue. Let's take a look at this. For 1 in my list, if 1 is equal to 2, false, print 1. For 2 in my list, if 2 is equal to 2, continue. So it never prints. For 3 in my list, if 3 is equal to 2, false, print 3. So here's our statement printed of 1 and 3. Awesome. So when 2 was equal to 2, it continued with the loop. It did not go down to the print statement. Let's move on to the break statement. While true, so our statement is while true, line equals input, are you done? And we see that over here. It's waiting for input. If line is equal to done, so if our input is equal to done, break. If this is not equal to done, it's going to print the line, our input, our line, our variable. So let's answer this without being done. Are you done? We're going to say, we'll say taco because I'm hungry. So taco. If taco is equal to done, false, right? Print line. What did it do? Did it print a line? Nope. It went right back up to the input. None of this even fired because if taco is equal to done, false. Taco does not equal to done. While true. So it went right back up to while true. It prompted me for input again. Let's follow this again. So we're back up to here to the flow of the script. We're back here to are you done? And I'm going to say pizza. If pizza is equal to done, false. Back up to true. Back up to input. And now I'm going to say, let me click it in the right spot, done. If done is equal to done, break, print the line. Right? But it didn't print the line because it broke first. So if done is equal to done, true, break, then print done. Pretty cool stuff. And that's basically a little bit more about continue and break. And you could use those in all kinds of fun, tricky ways within Python. And they're available whenever you need them.